So really how it works is you have you subscribe to a certain number of credits, and you can subscribe to a 1 year or 3 year. And really with those credits, you allocate products, whether those are new products that you see here on the right-hand side, or maybe those are existing licenses that you have already out through the traditional perpetual commercial model. And basically, it gives you the ability to trade in or return licenses and check out new licenses as you please. And of course, as you check in and out of licenses, your consumption will fluctuate based off that. It can go down, it can go up, right? So you can kind of grow with the commercial model can grow with you as your organization changes, as your organization's needs change. So you're not stuck with, licenses. Hey, we used to use these licenses 5 years ago, but now we don't use them anymore, really. Well, in this flex commercial model, you could return those licenses, take advantage of the initial capital investment that was used for those, and apply them to other things that are useful to you on your current state of your organization.